Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm Ram, welcome to Switch to Tech. Today we are going to unbox one of the most controversial things in the internet today. Do you think what it is? It is nothing phone 3 and headphones 1. Are you excited about these? Before we unbox, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and your support will help me a lot to give you more videos like this. Just click the subscribe and hit the bell icon to notify one of these best videos to reach you as soon as I post it in the YouTube. I will share my honest review every time as possible. So let's do the unboxing for Nothing Phone 3 first. After that I will show you the headphones one. This is Nothing Phone 3. Let's jump right into unboxing experience. Right from the start, the box design is clean and minimal. Just like Apple, it comes with paper pull tab but not plastic wrap. Nothing is clearly pushing for sustainable and eco-conscious experience. Along with the other companies like Apple and Samsung, cutting down on plastic and packaging waste. Inside the box, here's what you get. The phone itself wrapped in eco-friendly paper. Right next to the phone, there is an accessory box. There you can get a clear case which is made from silicone, but it gets yellowish color during the time. But this is a great addition when compared to other smartphone brands. Transparent USB-C to C cable with the Nothing logo, which is signature, and SIM ejector pin in Nothing signature design, paperwork, and warranty info. That's all in the box. There is no charger in the box. Again, the trend we are seeing with Apple, Samsung claimed to reduce e-waste and shipping footprint. But the average consumer knows the problem. Let's take a look around the phone. Let's unwrap the phone and see how it is. After unwrapping the phone, the first impressions for me, it looks quite a bit different and it stand out from all the other phones which are in that segment. Nothing is a design brand, so they concentrate mostly on design, not the other parts. So I will explain you more clearly in the review. For me, I like the phone how the way it looks, but as for me, it seems like to be a uncompleted design. But if you look the phone visually by yourself with your eyes, then you will notice it. Let's see the physical overview of the phone. To the right side, you can see the power on off button, and next to it, you can see the essential key, which is specially designed by Nothing, which do some AI task. In the bottom, you can see speaker grill and USB-C port and SIM card tray. Let's open the SIM card tray and see what's inside. So, dual nano SIM card option, and it comes with eSIM support too. And secondary microphone is present in the bottom side. And to the top, a speaker grill again for stereo speakers, and along with that, primary microphone. To the left side, volume rockers and antenna lines, which are tactile and gives good feedback. And the whole phone is built with aluminum frame, and it comes with IP68 and 69 dust and water resistance. And coming to glass, the front display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which is stronger than previous generations like Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and handles drop better, but not as flagship as Gorilla Glass Victus. I don't know why the Nothing compromised in the front display glass with 7i, most probably to reduce the cost. The back panel comes with Gorilla Glass Victus, which offers an excellent scratch resistant and durability. So they invested in here instead of in the front because to improve the black glass durability. To the back, you can see the camera module with the triple 50 megapixel camera layout over here on the back, and the main sensor is Sony, and you can see the Glyph interface, which is changed to Glyph Matrix. They are using Glyph Matrix to market Nothing Phone 3. I will show how the Glyph Matrix works in my review. Let's power on the phone, and meanwhile, we'll just see the specifications. Nothing Phone 3 comes with Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 and Android 15 out of the box with Nothing OS 3.5 and 6.67-inch OLED LTPS 120Hz display with Gorilla Glass 7i protection, and weighs around 218 grams with IP68 and 69 dust and water resistant. Coming to cameras, the main camera comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with f1.7 aperture with OIS, and the periscopic camera comes with 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor with f2.7 aperture along with 3x optical zoom and OIS. The ultra wide camera comes with 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 f2.2 sensor at 114 degree ultra wide range, And the selfie camera is also 50 megapixel Samsung ZN5 sensor. And the battery, coming to battery, there is a little bit gimmick in here. So they are rating it as 5150 in all around the world except India. So in India it comes with 5500 mAh. It can support wired charging up to the 65 watt speed and wireless up to 15 watts and reverse charging up to 5 watts. Variants and colors, it comes with white and black, 12 GB 256 GB variant and 16 GB 512 GB variant. And it can support dual nano SIM and eSIM. And it comes with Wi-Fi 7 out of the box. You can get the LPDDR6 RAM and UFS 4.0 out of the box. And in India, it costs around 79,999 rupees for 12 GB RAM variant and 89,999 rupees for 16 GB RAM variant. And in US, it costs around $799 for 12 GB variant. But at initial launch offer, you can get 16 GB variant for $799 with storage upgrade. And in Europe, it costs from 769 euros. So after turning on the phone, there is a normal setup process, which every smartphone does, like to set up the fingerprint sensor. And so, by the way, the fingerprint sensor is an optical fingerprint sensor. Again, they're not gone with ultrasonic fingerprint sensor like Samsung to cut the costs. And after setting up the fingerprint sensor, you can see all the Google setup and all the privacy related pop ups on the screen. And after you setting up the phone, after that, you can see the Glyph Matrix interface. So here it will show how the Glyph Matrix works and what are the Glyph toys and call recognition service using Glyph Matrix and essential key. All these features of Nothing Phone 3 are explained in the setup menu. After that, you will get the pop-up of Nothing OS 3.0, and you can set up choose your visual style for Nothing style or normal Android style. So I like the Nothing style better than normal style because it's simple, minimal, looks like OnePlus, which are in old days. So booting the phone gives you a clean and fluid UI. The haptics feel tight, animations are smooth, and display looks stunning thanks to the peak brightness and rich AMOLED contrast. But there is some catch. I will explain everything in the full review of Phone 3. And this phone checks in a lot of boxes. Full in-depth review with gaming, camera samples, and performance benchmarks is coming soon. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share who's trying to buy Nothing Phone 3 phone. Let's do the unboxing of Nothing Headphone 1. This is a huge box. In the back, you can see all the details of the headphones with all the safety ratings. It comes with Sony LDAC support too, and it supports 5 watts 2 ampere charging. The box is simple, minimal, but it's so huge. Let's unbox it by pulling the pull tab. Here you can see the big box audio by Kef branding. While we are unboxing, I will share you the specifications for these headphones. Just look at it. Opening that box gives you a huge case, huge black fabric case with a zipper. Let's put the earphones with case aside and let's see what's inside the box. Opening the small box gives you a quick start guide and 3.5 connector, USB-C to C cable with nothing branding to charge your headphones. So you can see the dot here, right? That side you need to unzip the case. Then you will see the headphones here, the beautifully looking Nothing headphones one. First impression, I like the design of the headphones. So they are unique and stands out from all the other brands which are available in the market at that price point. And they are transparent, looks premium and feels premium with the sides with aluminum frame, top hard plastic. Cushionings are made with vegan leather. Right ear consists of all the controls. Here there is a scroller to control volume and a tilt button to change track, and to the bottom Apple style power on off switch and an indicator for connection and charging next to it, and USB-C port, a 3.5 headphone jack to enjoy lossless audio. And left side consists of microphones. Apart from that, there is nothing else, and there are no touch controls for these earphones. It is a good step for not including touch controls. The right side of the headphones consists of Nothing Headphone 1 branding, and left side is branded as Sound by Kef. To the top of the right side, there is a small Bluetooth pairing switch. The headrest is padded with soft leather and it's adjustable and it's not foldable like Sony's. And totally, you can say it's a solid build quality and solid headphones when you look physically. And let's see how it sounds inside, and I will share you the full review of the headphones. in the next video along with the comparison with Sony XM6s. Please stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and share your friends who like these headphones and who are trying to buy the smartphone and headphones. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I'll see you in my next video.